My name is Margaret Elliot, and I live with my family in Ohio. Living here or any western state brings one uncomfortably close to Indians. There's a lot of mistrust, fear, anger on both sides. Last year, my husband and I were in Piqua out in western Ohio when John Johnston, the Indian agent, held a council for peace with the Shawnee and Wyandot Indians. He said they told him that their intention was to remain at peace and to maintain a friendship with the United States. But since then, there have been killings on both sides, and also that battle at Tippecanoe Creek. I fear that Indian leaders like Tecumseh and his brother, the one they call the Prophet, are trying to promote war between the Indians and us settlers. I also believe that some of our own territorial governors, like William Henry Harrison, are to blame. Harrison is ruthless. He has pressured Indian leaders to give up their lands at a penny or two an acre, and he sparked the battle along Tippecanoe Creek. My husband, like many settlers, view the Indians as merciless savages. They say the British are encouraging them to kill Americans and are actively providing them with food, guns, and ammunition. Lots of folks here on the frontier, including Mr. William Hull, the governor of the Michigan Territory, say that a war with Great Britain and an attack on Canada would help frontier settlers and the nation. I disagree. As a settler, a mother, and an Ohioan, I believe the U.S. Army should protect settlers along the frontier. If there is to be a war, it should be a limited one against the Indians to protect the borders of our states and territories. Declaring war against Great Britain would give the Indians a powerful ally. In such a war, I doubt if the Army will be able to protect outlying villages. Families like ours will be forced to move east or to forts for protection. Those folks that publish newspapers promoting war, they won't be asked to fight. But my husband's a militiaman, and I worry about losing him in battle. And if war comes to our doorstep, we could lose our entire family. We live a lot closer to danger than those on the East Coast. I am against war with Great Britain, and I hope that cooler heads will prevail.